This is the weekend edition, good through Sunday, February 22nd, 2015. My name's Dez, and the markets are extremely bullish. Ending out the week, we have the major indices in nice bullish territory. Everybody up quite a bit. Now the Russell's a little laggy, only up 0.32% when everybody else was above a 0.5%. Banks confirming that move. VIX also confirming that move. Fear down by 6.5%. Gold down, silver down. Precious metals been getting crushed. And you'll see here that we have crude oil down 2.4%. US dollar break even. Utility sector at break even, but transportation index up 0.60%, confirming the Dow's bullish move. And here we are taking a look at the S&P 500 daily, and I love it. Remember how we came up here and I said, be careful. If we do not stay above this 2090 area, I'm looking for a nice retracement. However, if we can stay above this 2090 area, this line coming across, then in that case, be looking for a high base breakout, looking for higher territory. And sure enough, that's what happened on Friday. Friday, we started off bearish, ended the day very, very bullish, and we do have resistance coming up. I would give us our resistance right around 2122, and I'll say it one more time so you can write it down. 2122 being a resistance point. And looking at the weekly chart on this, we came over here and poked our head over that resistance area last week. Remember us talking about that? It was so crucial. And then today, boom, we're this week really looking nice. Like we're just going to keep heading higher, higher, higher. On the monthly chart, this was problematic. We closed below this trend line, and then this month we come screaming back. However, this month is not over. The thing that concerns me is if the markets go very bearish on us and quickly, this thing could drop back down. If that happens and drops below this trend line on the monthly chart, woe to the markets. Then the markets will be putting in its top. But right now it looks like it's going to heal itself. If we stay strong, we come up here and hit this resistance area, it'll give me hope that we can either break through or keep chugging north here on the monthly chart. So if you look at the daily or the weekly on the NASDAQ, what's great here is this was rolling over, and then boom, we closed above a trend line on the week here. Very strong. Small caps here. Boom on the weekly chart over resistance areas. On the daily chart here, just continuing higher, 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 higher. Everything is looking very, very good. Here's a quick look here at gold. It's a big pullback way past the 61.8 Fibonacci. Do not like this pullback trade at all. Silver, same thing. Had a great formation and then it just ruined itself. This thing is just ugly, ugly, ugly. The charts are just all messed up on precious metals. Not a lot to work with there. And if you look at some stocks of interest, Apple, let's take a good look at this. I have been trading this one. It's still heading higher, higher, higher. Makes me wonder how long that'll last. On the weekly chart, look at this, boom, to the upside, just very strong here on Apple. Amazon on the weekly chart, look at this, and I hold Amazon too. To the upside, but on the weekly chart we do have a tweezer top almost type formation, so I have a trailing stop loss on this one, looking to take profits if it starts and when it starts to drop. And anybody else I want to highlight, let's see, Facebook here on the weekly chart started to show some weakness here, and then boom, but it's back at a resistance point right now. And tasers, take a look at this. Taser on a daily chart starting to rally higher. And you can see this kind of this high base starting to be made, this bullish pennant type formation. It'd be interesting. And then Twitter here on the weekly chart, just up, 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 and away. On the daily chart here, we gap up and then start heading above the moving average. As long as we stay above these EMAs, all is well in the world. And speaking of all being well in the world, the website's doing exceptionally well, very stable, doing some great things here. And the chart school. If you haven't had a chance to peruse that, it's all brand new. Go in there and check out the charts in the chart school. They are live action. Go to the indicators and oscillators, and you will actually see the indicators and oscillators in live form on the SPY, on the spider. It's very, very cool. Nobody else has that. We have it here, and that's what makes us special. Anyway, a lot of you have already been signing up for the free trading tutorials. If you want to get your hands on these free trading tutorials, put in your information here. Be happy to help you guys out. We also have another website, groktrade.com. If you go to groktrade.com, this is where you can go in here, check out our education 201 courses, the mentoring, and the chat room. You can also go here to the stock picks, and we have statistical stock picks, and we have the stock picks V newsletter. This is based off of fundamental analysis and using technical analysis to trade, and this is all based off of just pure statistics. Really cool stuff. Make sure you go and check it out. Catch you guys later.